It's new gear day. Yay! But first, this is a nice heavy ESQ watch from Switzerland. Since we're working with heavy metal today, I felt like it was apropos. This is a Harbor Freight Chicago Electric adjustable steel welding table. It's made out of all steel, so there's nothing to melt or burn on it. Welding gets things pretty hot. Remember that trick I showed you before? I learned this from when I had to do my brother's paper route. Turn these plastic strips upside down and pull back on the little tab. They come off pretty easily. Here's the instructions for putting it together. Who needs those? That's cheating anyways, right? It's pretty self-explanatory, so I shouldn't need them anyways. First are the upper supports with the adjustment guides on them. Then the legs bolt into those. Next up is a cross brace. Now I think we put the bottom table braces on. Hopefully they're in the right way. Now the table goes on to the rest of it. Adding the little fences are next. There's a long one in the front and a shorter one on the side. Now I just need to tighten everything up. And it's good to go. Now I have somewhere where I can start my welding projects. Thanks for watching again. See you next time.